In this video we will talk about Crash Course on Cellulites. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Wearing really short skirts can be a liberating experience for the modern woman unless there's a couple of cellulite lines peeking through. This is perhaps one of the greatest sources of frustration for women around the world. And though there are creams and surgical procedures that promise to remove those pesky lines, there is still no surefire way to remove all of them. What is cellulite? Cellulites are fat tissues that have bands of connective tissues in them. These tissues are found in certain areas of the body, the thighs, abdominal area and buttocks for the women. Men have cellulites in the neck and in the abdomen. Often, they are whiter or several shades lighter than their skin tones. When proper circulation occurs, smooth layers ensue, but when fluids in the layers, the stored fats, and chemical toxins do not get flushed out and are trapped within the skin, the tissues harden and thicken, thus producing bumpy lines in the skin. Although all people have basically the same smooth layers of cellulite, the resulting appearance will depend upon genetics, the lifestyle of the person and the weight of the individual, which are all factors in the cellulite formation. There are different types of cellulites. One kind occurs in the muscles of active women such as those who are dancers and runners. The hard or solid cellulites are hard to remove as they are attached directly to the muscles. Soft cellulites on the other hand are much more visible and may even sag from the body. And though it occurs in large muscle areas, they are easy to remove. Unfortunately, women are the frequent victims of cellulite problems. The problem can start when they are as young as 14 years old, and as they mature, the affected areas become larger. Women who are on birth control pills and those who had just given birth are also more susceptible. People who have suffered from injuries can also develop cellulites. Treatment procedures. Cellulite creams available in the market have proven to be effective in preventing the appearance of cellulites, but they cannot completely eradicate the tissues. These creams that contain alpha-hydroxyl acids do not actually remove the cellulites but rather improves the elasticity of the skin, thus making the cellulites less obvious. Exercise and diet is still, without a doubt, the best way to fight the cellulites. Women, and men, should also make it a point to find time to relax and go to spas body pampering. Exercise is particularly effective because circulation can help reduce the appearance of the cellulites. Detoxifying diet should also be practiced. The diet should include plenty of fruits and vegetables. Whole grain foods are also greatly recommended. Foods that should be avoided include coffee and soft drinks. Some say that spicy foods also contribute much in the appearance of cellulites, but nothing much have been proven yet. Cigarette smoking and drinking alcohol should also be avoided as they can help in the buildup of toxins in the body. Although a low-fat diet is not necessary, some experts recommend reducing the consumption of fatty foods as these are harder to digest and to get rid of. Fats also contribute in enlarging the size of the cellulites. Water therapy is also effective in helping make cellulites become less visible as it washes off toxins in the body as well as removes fats. It also aids in proper digestion and blood circulation. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.